Hey fans, welcome back. Discover how these incredible tools can revolutionize your daily life with their amazing usefulness and simplicity. From clever gadgets to time-saving wonders, see why adding these tools to your collection now will make a world of difference. Introducing the Ground Rod Dog, your go-to tool for safety and ease. Perfect for grounding tools and equipment to prevent electrocution, this $240 innovation strikes the right balance between cost and security. Forget the hassle of manual labor and the worry of unexpected shocks during electrical installations. The Ground Rod Dog makes quick work of driving rods into the ground, achieving the perfect height of 8 and 1 inch, 2 and 2.5 centimeters above ground level. Built to handle any terrain, from rough patches to slippery slopes, it easily connects to various jackhammers with its adaptable hex shank. With its patented design, the Ground Rod Dog ensures every task is tackled safely and efficiently. Introducing the Towbolt Roller Stand, your perfect partner for managing long workpieces effortlessly. Whether you're working with steel pipes or construction boards, this sturdy stand offers reliable support, saving you from constant adjustments. Ideal for compact workshops, its foldable design ensures it doesn't take up much space. Weighing only 9.9 pounds, it's lightweight yet strong, with adjustable heights from 27.5 to 43.3 inches. And the best part? It's available for just $60. Introducing the Hangman, the ultimate ladder accessory that puts safety and convenience first. Sick of making endless trips up and down your ladder for different tools? This clever gadget is your solution. Designed by a seasoned pro who learned the hard way after a costly ladder mishap, the Hangman securely attaches to your ladder at your preferred height. Whether you need your trusty screwdriver or a paint can, the Hangman's clip is always ready. Adjustable to fit almost any tool, it can hold up to 35 pounds, 16 kilograms, for added peace of mind. At just $80, this game-changing ladder attachment is a small price to pay for safety and efficiency. Introducing the Super Rebar Cutter, a game-changer in modern tool innovation. This remarkable tool has revolutionized rebar cutting with its unmatched performance. It effortlessly slices through rebar up to 8 inches, 20 millimeters, thick in under 5 seconds, setting a new standard in speed and efficiency. Its ingeniously designed cutting head rotates 360 degrees, making it perfect for navigating tight spaces. Plus, the Super Rebar Cutter operates without producing sparks, ensuring safety even in emergency situations. Priced at $588, this cutting-edge tool is a smart investment for anyone needing reliable and efficient rebar cutting. Heat induction coating removal is a groundbreaking solution for effortlessly stripping coatings from various materials. Using an alternating magnetic field, this innovative tool makes removing coatings a breeze. Whether you're dealing with vinyl or epoxy shielding, it heats up conductive materials for seamless separation from their coatings. Despite its advanced technology, the heat induction tool is remarkably simple to use. It offers exceptional precision and efficiency, making it perfect for delicate adjustments and tasks like removing bearings, rusted screws, and fixing dents. Professionals across various industries, from plumbers to mechanics, will find this tool invaluable. This new technology is making waves, providing a game-changing solution for anyone looking to streamline their coating removal processes. Introducing the Raimondi EFOX, the newest must-have for tile workers. This compact vibrating plate is a powerhouse, effortlessly handling tough jobs. Made in Italy and battery-powered, it can cover an impressive 200 square meters on a single charge. Designed with comfort in mind, it features 3 interchangeable handles for one- or two-handed use. The rubber plate ensures your tiles stay mark-free. With its high oscillation frequency, it's perfect for tiles with cutouts and holes. All this versatility and power for just $670. Introducing the Calf Hammer, designed for both left and right-handed users for ultimate comfort. Weighing just 1.4 kilograms, it's easy to handle with one hand, making it perfect for tasks like installing breather membranes, roofing felt, and tar paper. With a capacity for 160 10mm staples, it's ideal for both home and business use. Plus, its patented plastic covers ensure your materials stay protected from damage. Introducing the Ryobi Bolt Cutter, a revolutionary tool from the renowned Japanese brand. This battery-powered marvel is set to transform the way you cut bolts. Compatible with the popular 18-volt 1 Plus batteries used in over 280 Ryobi tools, it offers unmatched convenience. Capable of delivering 200 cuts on a single charge for bolts up to 10 millimeters in diameter, it ensures a clear view of the cutting zone. Plus, its separate forward and reverse buttons make operation a breeze. Priced at just $130, it's a must-have addition to your toolkit. Introducing the Portec Post Driver, your ultimate tool for installing road barriers, signs, fences, and more. With a robust 52cc two-stroke gasoline engine, this powerhouse easily handles support diameters from 25 to 102 millimeters, thanks to its versatile adapter rings. There's even an optional square adapter for added flexibility. Priced at around $1,000, it's a reliable and essential addition to your toolkit. Check out these mobile lifting platforms. They can safely elevate you up to 6 feet, making it easy to work on walls, windows, or greenhouses without the risks of using a ladder. Plus, they can lift up to 440 pounds, so you can transport heavy equipment effortlessly. You can reach nearly 6.5 feet high, complete your tasks, and move on without constantly climbing up and down. You could even set up a rail system for the platform to move along, which could be really useful in certain industries despite potential space constraints. Milwaukee is a big name in construction, and their tools are known for reliability. The buzz around the new Milwaukee MX fuel plate compactor is huge, and it's now available for pre-order. Powered by high-performance MX batteries, this tool is set to replace traditional gas-powered compactors. These batteries offer 35 minutes of continuous use, covering nearly 5,000 square feet. The MX fuel plate compactor also features the One Key system, letting you track its location and status right from your smartphone. Weighing in at 163 pounds, it offers incredible functionality. The starting price is about $5,500. Don't miss out on this game-changing tool.